Yep, gotcha. Gotcha. Alright, so tide's coming in at the river mouth. Lots of trees that have fallen here and the root systems have just given up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick around the root systems, the fallen down trees, and hope for some barra to bite. So let's get to it. I've got the Xeric prawn, 120 mil. Yes, gotcha. Oh, missed it. Oh, that's a fish. Come on. Come on. Oh, cod. That's all right. It's a start. Cod on the prawn. Thought I was snagged up. Got a cod. So the wind's picking up. I'm not sure if I'm going to hang around the front here. I am getting the bites. I did take that wind device for the GoPro off and it was just overheating the GoPro, so it kept on turning on and off from overheating. So I've taken it off, but you are going to get a lot of wind, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Let's continue on. I'm thinking I might go up this little creek just there as the tide's coming in at the mouth, but I don't know. Well, I'll go have a quick look, and if I don't end up at the front, then we'll go right at the back. Alright.
I've headed up to the creek, searching for dead trees that have fallen and holding fish. With 20 knots on the radar, I'll try my best to hide away from the wind.
Alright, so if the paddle tail isn't on the chew, I'm going to mix it up to that prawn that I had at the mouth of the creek. The wind isn't as bad here, which is fantastic for videoing. There is like gusts that come in, but seem to be really hidden in here, and I love it. And anyway, let's get fishing. Yep, gotcha. Yes, let's go. Good fish. Come on, be a barra. First weekend warrior barra, let's go. Yes. Woohoo! Look at that, off that snag. That's perfect. Thank you, BCT. Coca-Cola. Probably gonna hear me say that a lot every time I get a fish. Oh wow, show the camera. '52 model. Thank you very much. Happy days. We'll do a release on this one. Yeah, he's ready to go. See you later, mate. Good job. Don't know what that was. Was it a snake or was it a suck-in? Go back in there. Oh, just got a hit. It was a dunk. Come on. It's gonna happen. Here we go. Get ready. Ooh. Oh, smacked! Got the barra! Yes! Come on! Net! Ooh. Oh no! Doesn't that get you going? Yes! Come on! Let's go, let's go! Good fish! What is it? Good fish! Oh, sick! Check out the size of this jack! You guys are witnessing my PB in a jack. For everybody to see, that's a 42.
Just a quick shout out to Bust Ups. I met Jesse the other day. He's got a YouTube channel. Saw him out in the creek. He was kind enough to give me some lures to try in the future, some prawn lures. So give him a subscribe and the support.
This is what I'm going to be throwing out into. Big shark just here. Fish. Anyway, let's give it a crack. Gotcha! Oh, come on, no. Looks like a grunner, I think. Oh, far out! What a finger mark! Wow, okay. Definitely doing the PBs today. 47 estuary finger mark.